You! Get a corn dog! And a bush dog.
What's going on, kid?
Follow the sun and which way the wind blows when this day is done. Breathe, breathe in the air, set your intention, dream with care.
Off to the island, boys!
I am off work and free. How you feeling, Macca?
Man, I can see a field of festive, freaky family members.
I feel this field of people vibrating. Fuck my boss, I'm on vacation. These tunes got me elevating. Yup, I think I'm off my face. And oh, what's up, motherfuckers? Hell yes, I'm goddamn free. On the real, I feel unreal, cause the wheels of steel just dropped that beam. That drug is massaging my brain. That buzz is a guard in my veins. So put your birds in the sky, we'll be in need for a little group therapy. Let's scream. Fuck Earth, cause right now, bitch, I'm free. Yeah, that feel good, don't it? I mean, really, that feel good, don't it? The spinning waxes, feeling magic. The melody that enters me is sending me the energy. If you are Jasmine, it's like I'm Aladdin. Our chemistry is heavenly, a destiny that's meant to be. Yeah, I feel blessed with you. I could dive in your eyes of electric blue. You're my Tinkerbell, and this is love. You wanna fly, have a line of that pixie dust. Because, baby,
hold up, I just rolled up. Here with all my mates, off work. Gave my boss a bird, cause I got my pay. Fuck you, I'ma cut loose. Don't care what they say, cause
Yes, I like to get high.
motherfuckers, hold up,
I just rolled up, here with all my mates, off work, gave my boss the bird, cause I got my pay. Fuck you, I'ma cut loose, don't care what they say, cause yes, I like to get high.
This shit right here is what makes me happy. If I'm not writing rhymes, then I'm changing nappies. Call me Mac Daddy, I'm a joyful cat. You can tell from the field that the boys are back. If you're still rapping about selling a brick, to be honest, my brother, you ain't telling me shit. See, I shine when I rhyme, cause I spit the truth. When I hit the booth, I uplift the youth. Yeah, I'm down to earth, but my head is in orbit. My life is rapping and my weapons are cordless. It's time for action and it's very important that you know when I flow, I put the S.O. in awesome. Killing it before compact disc. On the really, all the kiddies wanna know what that is, but they mosh that pit, cause I got that gift to get the whole crowd yelling. And when I jump, I'ma tell you the outcome. I fly like the Millennium Falcon. I'ma kiss the sky like I don't give a fuck.
hold up, I just rolled up. Here with all my mates, off work. Gave my boss a bird, cause I got my pay. Fuck you, I'ma cut loose. Don't care what they say, cause
Yes, I like to get high.
motherfuckers,
Hold up, I just rolled up, here with all my mates, off work, gave my boss the bird, cause I got my pay. Fuck you, I'ma cut loose, don't care what they say, cause yes, I like to get high.
what we want to do. And we want to get loaded. And we forget the flight.
Hold up, I just rolled up here with all my mates. Off work, gave my boss a bird, cause I got my pay. Fuck you, I'ma cut loose, don't care what they say, cause motherfuckers, hold up, I just rolled up here with all my mates. Off work, gave my boss a bird, cause I got my pay. Fuck you, I'ma cut loose, don't care what they say, cause motherfuckers.
Roll with the back of Nicky, motherfucker. 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 Roll with the back of Nicky, motherfuckers.
Oh, there it is. The big fucker too.
Careful, the rocks are a bit slippery.
Moi. On the Eagles lure. Pass me the rod, hold it. Oh, you grab by the towel, hold it straight up. Good work, Eddie. You redeemed yourself. Yeah, boy. Nice fish. Check it out.
You got to kill the queen and then you made it. Oh, I do you a funny thing, a king who gets himself assassinated. Hey now, every time I lose attitude, you took a town by storm, the mess you made was nominated. Oh, you now put away your welcome when you find you overstated. Hey now, every time I lose attitude, so divine, hell of an element. All the while my fortune faded. Never mind the consequences of the crime. This time my fortune's faded.
get him away. Alright. Try to go to that side a little bit. Cave off the rocks. Hold it out.
You see it?
Yeah. Bring it out. Fuck me, man.
What is it?
Oh, come off. Bring it back. I'm a bit smaller. Yeah. It's a trevally. Yeah.
Festival heads. Alright, it's that time of the year you've been waiting for months now. Saving up your pay, trying to figure all your funds out. It's kind of funny when you think of all the fun how it's taken this long to shake last year's come down. Forget the past as soon as December starts. Grab your parents' credit card and hope that you don't get it masked. Yeah, cause if you let it pass these days, a week late can mean paying triple when you beat pay off eBay. True, it's hard to figure out what tickets you want. Should it be Falls Festival or Pyramid Rock? Well, for me, I really don't care cause I don't listen to rock or hip hop. I just wear earplugs and sit there and watch. If your favourite band's there, you think you'll never forget. You'll probably get that way, but you won't remember their set. If you're a festival head, then you already know the plan. Go and pack up all your shit cause you're going on a trip for those summer days. Oh, summer days. For those summer days. And I'm not squishing in the back. Yeah, I'm telling you, shotgun flat. Oh shit, man. Now when you finally make it there from driving up with your crew, you better get your mind set on finding something to do, cause you'll be stuck there lining up in a queue, moving bumper to bumper until your ass hurts, all to get in your car searched. And with your alcohol you're stressing cause you need it bad, stashing bottles of vodka up in your sleeping bags. Maybe get a spare tyre with a heap of cans. It doesn't matter, everybody has their secret plan. Once you're through, start picking your spot, unpack and realise all the things you forgot or shit that you lost. I swear I brought my pillows and socks, and dudes are too excited, already sitting there slouched. You know it doesn't take long before you find somebody blazing up. Mate, what are you doing? I said to save the buck for saving right. That's always the cheap fuckers who ain't paid enough. Yeah, but please note that we don't condone taking drugs. Summer days. Oh, summer days. I love summer days. Man, how cold is it inside this tent? Yeah. Now as soon as the sun rises, you'll be ready to start. At 6 o'clock, standing there outside your tent with a glass. You're in it for the long haul, it doesn't end when it's dark. We all know you've got your friends to make your energy last. And you gotta time it so you're peeking while the acts play. Try and jump the fence and start sneaking into backstage. If you get caught by police, then try to act straight. Nah, they're not those pills, I need them for my back pain. Yeah. And dudes are flying, saying to their mates, I love you, man. I wanna walk so they can go and call their mum and dad. And then there's people who so desperately just need a friend. They're going up to anybody trying to have a D and then the next stage is you won't even watch the bands live. You're having too much fun talking shit around your campsite. Getting wasted while you're baking the sun. What can I say, yo, it's a fucking good way to get drunk. I love summer days. Oh, summer days. I love summer days. Hey, what happened to you? And by the last day you're probably thinking summer's the worst, cause all that time out in the sun left you covered in burns and smothered in dirt. The sight of all the dunnies is worse, and all the food shops are gone when you're so hungry it hurts. All you wanna do is sleep, but you got packing to do. You squash up in that car and jump back in a queue. Yeah, I know, we all complain about the pain when it ends. Next year we'll save up and do the same shit again. I love summer days. Oh, summer days. I love summer days. I love summer days. I was gonna say I love festivals. Didn't really have the same ring to it though. Summer days, yeah. I love Pez 360. Of course, I had it gotta be summer days. Summer days. Summer days.
When I met you in the summer,
met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound. We fell in love as the leaves turn brown, and we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer,
Here you go.
Yeah, boy. Happy birthday, Meat Axe.
Crazy, this has gone so calm. Yes, yep. Yeah, boy, wait. Hey?
Oh, once had time on my hands, but now handling time. It's
Just
coping
turn the
with this
video
life
on as
cycle
well.
of the mandatory grind. My sanity's fine, it's full of shorter stamina on. Searching for some food for thought to feed this famine of mind. And when I'm stagnant, I rhyme, it helps to not turn a day. I churn my way through this 9 to 5 and urban decay. Believe me, it's bleak, I'm the city breathing asleep. It's just a paddock, ain't it where a shepherd's leading these sheep. Now most prefer it covered up, blood and the truth naked. The truth is ugly like cellular, please don't publicly parade it. I hate it, but to escape it, if we luck on fluke. I feel like I'm a dog beat, but I'm stuck on loop. But that's my life cycle, freedom means everything to me. Your face values got us believing everything we see. So if our eyes tell us lies, the truth is we're blind. So keep on walking straight and narrow down illusionary lines. I once had respect for this game, but now this game of respect is sold to the highest bidder with some fame and a check. Now any layman can get respect without breaking his neck. Paying dues, time his crew started paying some debt. It ain't lights and cameras, personalities on sets. Distorting reality, giving context with no originality concepts. Who gives a fuck about a salary? This ain't a popularity contest. Cause hip-hop ain't faking for ends. Hip-hop ain't faded with trends. It ain't rich kids playing with pens. It ain't because you're black or the label on them. It's where you're at, so I'll say it again. It's just my life cycle. Music means everything everything to me. It's just a fashion show. Nah, don't believe everything you see, cause if our eyes tell us lies, the truth is we're blind. So keep on walking straight and narrow down illusionary lines. So keep on walking straight and narrow down illusionary lines.
Open your eyes up, wake up, rise up. Open your eyes up, wake up, rise up. Open your eyes up, wake up, rise up.
That's just my life cycle, nothing matters but setting me free, because my freedom and hip-hop be meaning everything to me. Our face values and fashions empower everything we be, believe in everything we hear and everything we see. And if our eyes tell us lies, then we usually find our visions clouded by the scatter, so the truth is we're blind. It's just poison food for thought for these delusionary minds. So stop walking straight and narrow down illusionary lines. So keep on walking straight and narrow down illusionary lines.
Watch out, Joy.
Yeah, can. Yes. Yeah, Kenny.
This one did.
Oi. Yes. Oh, tell me about it.
Yeah.
These days are going too fast. These days keep holding me back.
That's right.
These days are going off track, but I can't seem to find a way to my peace of mind. These days are going too fast. These days keep holding me back. These days are going off track, but I can't seem to find
Check
a
it
way
out.
to my peace
Yeah.
of mind.
We're living in a place given different ways to remain the same inside. Most just stay wishing as they pray, thinking it'll change in time. Thinking every day and night, that's one less for me. Unless I see forever, then I guess I'm blessed to step ahead to see a destiny that's more than this. Maybe we can all exist together as one in heaven and come together whenever we call it quits. Or maybe this is all we get. See it once and not once more. See that love is unnatural. See above us up, that's all. Maybe all they said would be enough, and we all coming down and never see it coming. And we end up in a cemetery, numb, and none of us will wonder anything is nothing. Others say what's in it all. Another day watching it go. Hate having to defend, wanting to ascend when it's in a not let go. Then they get the sentiment of what? Really getting fed up with this stuff. Really all as simple as me sitting counting every single second on the clock. Only I can watch my watch, but let my mind rest tonight. In essence, try to revive a life the rest that left them left behind. Yeah.
These days are going too fast. These days keep holding me back. These days are going off track, but I can't seem to find a way to
which way the wind blows when this day is done. Breathe in the air, set your intentions, dream with care. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone, a brand new moon and brand new sun. Follow the sun, the direction of the birds, the direction of love. Breathe in the air, cherish this moment, cherish this breath. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone. Brand new moon, brand new sun.
How are you, boys? All good?
Yeah, good, buddy.
She got half. Saying you go over there.
Yeah, back to max there.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Got the boardies.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Snapper, stango.
Stangies. Red truck. The cold truck.
Oh, fuck. Oh, good.
You did alright.
We did good.
You dropped it, you?
Huh?
Drop
Yeah,
it.
no, it's fucking hard, mate, up there. Yeah, it's not easy fishing, bloke, but you know. Amazing the fucking things are there, though.
Oh, yeah.
I'm amazed, you know.
We got pretty stuck on Mystery Beach there. Went out for a beach fish on Mystery Beach. You got fucking belly deep in the lassie. Let's get the next shot. That's for you.
Fillets, non-stop fillets.
Fillets should die.